ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ క్లాస్ అంకియా ఇంగ్లీష్ లెసన్స్ రైమ్స్ అంటే తెలుసు. What is your name?
My name is Alfia.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying second class.
Come on.
Yesterday there was
Lesson nature.
fair.
Our fair.
Our fair. Yesterday there was fair in Rangapuram. People came from faraway place.
Characteristic akkade pettan chadivinచండి.
There are many shops and stalls. People are buying and selling things. There was shop selling sweets, clock and ties. Children bought ties from the shop. They went for a ride on the merry-go-round. Some children went on the wheel. They sat on the
Seats.
seats attached to the wheel. As the wheel turned, some children shouted in joy and
Others
in fear.
in fear.
There were camel rides, elephant rides, and horse rides. Two people had a good time. They returned home after sunset.
Good. Next rhyme.
The wheels and the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels and the bus go round and round. All to the town, the heart in the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The heart in the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All to the town, the doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut. All to the town, the driver in the bus says move one back, move one back. The driver in the bus says move one back. All to the town.
Very good. Next lesson.
The talking car. Once upon a time, there was a kid called Sujay. He was a tiger. It's him to take it. It was him everywhere. It was his favorite toy. One day he was playing with his car at home. Suddenly he heard a voice. Don't throw me so hard I might break. Sujay looked around. Nobody was in the room. He was alone. Here it's me. Don't you see me? I am down here, says the voice.
Very good. Alfia. బాగా చదివావు. వెరీ గుడ్ క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి.